Hello, biotech enthusiasts. Welcome back to BiotechLearning. Today's video is all about the different branches of biotechnology. Biotechnology is an incredibly diverse field, touching everything from the medicines we use to the crops we eat and even how we solve environmental challenges. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at the 6 major branches of biotechnology: medical, agricultural, environmental, industrial, marine, and food biotechnology. Let's get started. The first and perhaps most well-known branch is medical biotechnology. It involves using living cells and biological processes to develop products and technologies that improve human health. Let's break it down further. What is medical biotechnology? Medical biotechnology is also called as red biotechnology. It combines biology and medicine to create technologies and treatments that can diagnose, prevent, or cure diseases. One of the most groundbreaking advancements in this area is the development of biopharmaceuticals. Unlike traditional chemical-based drugs, biopharmaceuticals are made using living cells, and include medicines like insulin, growth hormones, and monoclonal antibodies. History of medical biotechnology. This branch really took off in the 20th century with the discovery of penicillin by Alexander Fleming in 1928, which led to the development of antibiotics. In the 1970s, the advent of recombinant DNA technology revolutionized this field, allowing scientists to produce human insulin from bacteria, something that was impossible before. Applications and innovations of medical biotechnology. Today, we're looking at innovations like gene therapy, where defective genes are replaced or repaired using tools like CRISPR, Cas9, potentially curing genetic disorders like sickle cell anemia and cystic fibrosis. Another exciting field is stem cell research, which has the potential to regenerate damaged tissues and organs. Examples of medical biotechnology. Gene therapy, development of biopharmaceuticals, like insulin, and stem cell research. Next up is agricultural biotechnology, a branch focused on improving the quality and quantity of crops and livestock through scientific techniques. What is agricultural biotechnology? Agricultural biotechnology is also called as green biotechnology. It involves the manipulation of plant and animal DNA to enhance agricultural productivity. The goal is to make crops more resilient to pests, diseases, and environmental stresses like drought. It also includes the development of biofertilizers, biopesticides, and genetically modified organisms. History of agricultural biotechnology. The earliest form of agricultural biotechnology was traditional selective breeding. However, with the discovery of DNA structure in the 1950s and the development of genetic engineering techniques in the 1970s, scientists began creating genetically modified crops, or GMOs. One of the most famous examples is Bt cotton, which contains genes from the bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis that make it resistant to pests. Applications and innovations of agricultural biotechnology. Modern agricultural biotechnology has led to crops like golden rice, which is genetically engineered to produce beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, helping to fight vitamin A deficiency in many developing countries. This branch also contributes to creating climate-resilient crops that can withstand droughts or flooding, crucial as climate change alters global weather patterns. Examples of agricultural biotechnology. GMO crops, golden rice, Bt cotton, biofertilizers, biopesticides, and livestock cloning. Moving on, environmental biotechnology is a critical field that focuses on solving environmental problems through biological methods. This branch is all about using organisms like bacteria, fungi, and plants to clean up polluted environments, generate renewable energy, and conserve natural resources. What is environmental biotechnology? It works to improve the environment by using living organisms to degrade hazardous substances and create sustainable alternatives. This includes the use of microorganisms in bioremediation to clean up oil spills, heavy metals, and other pollutants. History of environmental biotechnology. One of the earliest successes of environmental biotechnology was in the 1980s when scientists used bacteria to clean up the Exxon Valdez oil spill in Alaska. Since then, This field has expanded significantly, particularly in waste management and biofuel production. Applications and innovations of environmental biotechnology. Today, environmental biotechnology is playing a major role in the development of biofuels, which are produced from organic materials like algae and agricultural waste. These biofuels can replace fossil fuels, reducing our carbon footprint. Another area of innovation is phytoremediation, where plants are used to absorb and detoxify pollutants from soil and water. Examples of environmental biotechnology: bioremediation, biofuels and waste management technologies. Next is industrial biotechnology. This branch uses biological systems to create industrial products like enzymes, bio-based chemicals, and even biofuels. It focuses on using renewable resources to produce eco-friendly products. What is industrial biotechnology? Industrial biotechnology is also called as white biotechnology. It uses organisms and enzymes to optimize industrial processes. One of its key applications is in the production of enzymes for industries such as textiles, paper, and biofuel production. These enzymes can speed up chemical reactions while reducing the need for harsh chemicals and high temperatures. History of industrial biotechnology. This field has its roots in traditional fermentation processes, which have been used for centuries to make products like beer, wine, and bread. However, modern industrial biotechnology started gaining attention in the 20th century with the discovery of enzymes that could improve manufacturing processes. Applications and innovations of industrial biotechnology. Some of the most exciting innovations in this field are related to bioplastics. Unlike traditional plastics, which are made from petroleum, bioplastics are made from plant materials and are biodegradable, helping to reduce plastic pollution. Another application is the production of bioethanol, a renewable fuel made from biomass like corn or sugarcane. Examples of industrial biotechnology: bioethanol and biogas production, biodegradable plastics, and enzymes in industrial processes. Let's dive into marine biotechnology, a fascinating field that explores the vast diversity of life in the oceans to develop new medicines, biofuels, and sustainable food sources. What is marine biotechnology? Marine biotechnology is also called as blue biotechnology. It involves harnessing the unique properties of marine organisms. The ocean is home to some of the most diverse and unexplored ecosystems on Earth, and scientists are just beginning to tap into the potential of marine life for various applications. History of marine biotechnology. This branch emerged in the late 20th century when researchers began exploring marine environments for new sources of bioactive compounds. One of the major breakthroughs was the discovery of marine-derived drugs like ziconotide, a painkiller derived from the venom of a marine snail. Applications and innovations of marine biotechnology. Today, marine biotechnology is being used to develop anti-cancer drugs, antibiotics, and even biofuels from marine algae. It's also playing a role in sustainable aquaculture, where marine organisms are farmed for food and other products. Examples of marine biotechnology: marine-derived pharmaceuticals, sustainable aquaculture, marine biofuels, algae-based, and bioprospecting, search for useful substances in marine organisms. Last but not least, let's look at food biotechnology. This branch focuses on improving the quality, safety, and sustainability of the food we eat using biological processes. What is food biotechnology? Food biotechnology is also called as yellow biotechnology. It uses techniques like fermentation and genetic modification to enhance the nutritional content, taste, and shelf life of food. This includes creating foods with added health benefits, like probiotics, as well as reducing food waste by developing longer-lasting produce. History of food biotechnology. Fermentation has been used for thousands of years to make foods like yogurt, cheese, and beer. However, the use of genetic modification in food production is relatively new. The first genetically modified food, the Flavre Savr tomato, was introduced in 1994. It was engineered to have a longer shelf life. Applications and innovations of food biotechnology. One of the most innovative developments in this field is lab-grown meat, which is produced using animal cells, eliminating the need to raise and slaughter livestock. This could significantly reduce the environmental impact of meat production. Another example is the development of crops that are biofortified with essential nutrients, like rice enriched with iron and zinc to combat malnutrition. Examples of food biotechnology: probiotics and fermentation, yogurt, cheese, cultured meat. Food preservation technologies and nutritional enhancement of food, like biofortification. Conclusion: biotechnology is such an exciting and diverse field that it's shaping our world in ways we can't even imagine. Whether it's developing life-saving medicines, creating more resilient crops, cleaning up the environment, or innovating sustainable products, biotechnology is truly the science of the future. Which branch fascinated you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to BiotechLearning for more insights into the amazing world of biotechnology. See you next time.